how can you detect lies being a body language expert?
So again, see, lies by itself, lies is a very broad term. I could be lying because I don't want you to feel bad about something. So it's a white lie. Maybe asked me, is everything okay? And maybe I'm feeling a little cold, but I don't want you to feel that, I'm feeling cold because you have a jacket on and I don't want you to feel like that, right? So that could be a white lie. Like, I'm just trying to be nice and polite to you.
Okay.
We do that on a regular basis. The spouse has cooked something, they ask you, how is that food? And you say, oh, very well cooked. Maybe it's not that good, but it's that intent to which you are just responding back, right? So you are lying but not lying there.
Correct.
That's there. Second thing could be that you have a broader agenda on your mind. You are thinking of 10 things that can go wrong, because of which you are putting yourself out there that, okay, I'm vulnerable, but I cannot harm or take this bigger risk, in which case the person themselves will indicate very, very openly that I am lying over here.
Okay.
Right? So that's very easy. Most of us just get it because that person themselves will become submissive. They will let loose and they will let you know that this is me lying. Then there are some of us who have convinced ourselves that this is not a lie. Obviously, this is how it should be. Now, in those cases, it becomes very difficult to be able to decipher whether that person is lying or not. So, statistically, even the people who are so-called trained to be experts in deception, they get it right only 85% of times.
Wow.
Right? So that is how difficult it is to catch people who are lying. What we can do is, when we see, say, asynchrony. See, most of the times what happens is your body language is synchronous, which means even if you're not agreeing, the entire body language in some way will tell me that this person is not agreeing. If you're agreeing, if you're liking something, if you're open to it, more or less the body language is in synchrony. Like, different parts of the body are indicating something similar. But when only one part of the body is showing something different, the other parts of the body are showing you something very different. Like, something is showing discomfort, but the rest of the body is showing a lot of comfort and ease. That is somewhere the person is not wanting to share everything that's on their mind with you. Maybe they feel it's not the right moment. They want to share it with you, but it's not the right moment. So do you want to be quick to judge that this person is holding back information? Or do you want to take in what you are seeing, either wait for the right moment or ask the right questions, or try and ask questions and see if that body language is lining up. For example, if I saw that there is this discomfort in your body language, like I use a lot of eyebrow raise when I'm talking or conversing, that's what a lot of us use to emphasize what we are saying. Now, in middle of the conversation, if I start not using my eyebrows to converse, you will somewhere get a sense whether you know कि eyebrow को देखना है नहीं देखना है. Maybe you get it, maybe you don't. But intuitively, if you're just closely looking at somebody, you will get a sense कि कुछ अलग हो रहा है इधर, right? So at that point, instead of trying to judge that this person has become very watchful, you just try and do one of the two things. Either you try and ask the right questions so that the person starts easing up and confiding in you, so that onus lies on you to build the rapport all over again. Right? कि आपका भी एक responsibility है. So you can do that rapport building and get me to open up again with you. Or you start looking for confirmation. जैसे अगर मैं सही में आपको उल्लू बनाने का try कर रही थी, right? I was trying to make either I feel that you will not catch me. That is why I am trying to deceive you. Or maybe I think कि समझ में ही नहीं आएगा तो मैं क्यों ये सब चीज़ का बात करूँ. And I'm trying to not say the entire truth. So at that point, the eyebrow raise will let you know, and maybe you can intervene. Otherwise, what will happen is you will get that sense. Because उसके बाद मेरा जो body language है ना, वो कहीं पे आपको confirmation देना चालू कर देगा. Because I will start shutting down, or I will take an extra effort to try and amp up my expressiveness. Because मुझे समझ में आ गया कि अभी आपको समझा है कि मैं आपको I'm trying to make a fool out of you. So that is why catching deception becomes a little tricky in that sense.